It's your boy Mike Davis here with a segment of Mikey Likes It. Test products to see whether or not I like it. It's pretty straightforward. Today we have a product called Ocean Breeze. It's a tea brand from Korea. It's 100% organic and vegan. And what is it? For those who care, it is 5 calories per serving. So I'm not a calorie counter, but 5 calories per serving. Now, I'm a big fan of matcha. Matcha is always a unique, delicious taste. And whenever I eat it, teas, desserts, mostly desserts. So yeah, it comes in this box, as Ocean Breeze is known for. And then the pouch is 1.2 ounces. I don't really have much of a concept of ounces, but here it is. It definitely seems smaller than what the box presents itself to have, but seems reasonable for roughly $10, I think. So yeah, it says to put half a teaspoon in your favorite cup. Matcha-y. Alright, so I have 3 cups over here. Hot water, hot almond milk, and hot regular milk, just to see which tastes better, which mixes better. I'm definitely more of a milk type of person when it comes to my hot drinks, but it definitely recommended hot water in the instructions, so we'll include all of that and see whether or not I like it. If Mikey likes it. Alright, so we're gonna put, this is a teaspoon, so this should be half a teaspoon. Should I just put a whole teaspoon? I don't know. Just put a whole teaspoon. Yeah. That's the water. And that's the almond milk. And then this powder stuff is kind of difficult. Nah, screw it. And here's the hot milk. Yeah. So let's leave that at that. And let's stir this mess. Ooh, girl. Round and round it goes. Maybe I want to put more matcha. It just seems like I would want more flavor. And I plan to do this also with smoothies. Those who know the reference, kudos to you. Smoothies. So, as it seems, it doesn't mix so well with my almond milk or milk. Water, that's a given, it's going to dissolve in that, but it's still clumpy with the milk and almond milk. Maybe I should just give it some time, but yeah, it's not mixing too well. The almond milk, yeah, it's a little better, but the milk seems to have more trouble dissolving. So I've got some clumps in there. That's good. That looks like matcha tea right there. And so, I believe we should test them out now. Let's start with the water. How does the hot water version taste? Like hot matcha, No real surprise there. It's good. Has that green tea refreshness. see my almond milk. I'm a big fan of almond milk. You know, especially if you're trying to keep it vegan, this is probably the way to go. Unless you're trying to do water, but almond milk. Ooh! Almond milk hits. That's good. Definitely like almond milk more than water. That's good. Let's give this a little stir before we try the milk. No. Yeah, so with the milk, it didn't really dissolve so much. You know, it's warm, hot milk, so it should have dissolved, but it didn't dissolve as well. So the matcha tea kind of clumps still, and you just kind of taste milk, and then you get those little clumps of matcha in your mouth. So definitely give it up to almond milk. Definitely tastes better with the matcha. Mixes pretty well, not as well as the water, but it mixes better than the milk. And you know, this way you can also keep it vegan. You know, I definitely recommend almond milk, but yeah, definitely tastes delicious. So I made the Ocean Breeze green tea matcha into a smoothie shake kind of thing. Right here we have the one that uses milk, and this one is the one with almond milk. I didn't bother with using water because it's basically just cold iced green tea. So yeah, like I decided just to go with milk and almond milk. So with the regular milk, I decided to add vanilla ice cream and some vanilla extract. And for this one, to keep it vegan, it was just ice, almond milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. What I found out was, upon tasting them, the ice makes it too watery. So, you know, adding the sugar and the vanilla extract definitely helps up the flavor. The vanilla ice cream for the milk to help with thickness for that, you know, more of a shake consistency. And it's good. I definitely think that adding the vanilla extract and sugar definitely help the flavor, because ultimately it does come out watery with all the ice. If you have vegan vanilla ice cream, I definitely recommend adding that to your almond milk to keep it vegan, because it'll definitely make it more creamy and thicker. I have to say that I definitely prefer it in milk with a scoop of ice cream in it, because it's delicious, you know. What else can I say, you know? It's definitely a much smoother consistency, creamier taste, versus the almond milk tastes more watery. Ultimately, they both taste really good. I added 2 scoops of matcha powder, and you know, it came out really good in my opinion. You know, I just needed to make the drinks a little better, but other than that, the matcha powder is a really simple way to make your own matcha drinks, matcha desserts, etc., etc. Ocean Breeze 100% organic and vegan matcha green tea. And I have to rate it. Mikey likes it. Give it to me. I'll eat it. So yeah, get yours now. Come back next time where I eat another thing. Send me food! I'll eat it!